ओम यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 114। इन टीका सेकंड लाइन, स्थान समाख्ययोर विरोधे समाख्या दौर्बल्यम। So we have seen varieties of things between श्रुति लिंग वाक्य प्रकरण स्थान समाख्या। So श्रुति and वाक्य विरोध, श्रुति and लिंग विरोध, लिंग वाक्य विरोध, वाक्य प्रकरण विरोध, स्थान प्रकरण विरोध, नौ स्थान समाख्या विरोध। So स्थान समाख्ययोर विरोधे समाख्या दौर्बल्यम। समाख्या will be weaker because it is para. Yatha. Now, example is given. पौरोडाशिक समाख्याते दर्शपूर्णमास कांडे सान्नाय पात्र शुंधनम समाख्यातम। पौरोडाशिक समाख्याते इन दर्शपूर्णमास कांड पुरोडाश, when that प्रकरण comes, पौरोडाशिक समाख्याता। पौरोडाशिक is तद्धित प्रत्यय on पुरोडाश. It will be given in टीका. सान्नाय पात्र, सान्नाय शब्द, there is a sutra. Anybody knows the sutra? पाय्य सान्नाय निकाय धाय्याः. This is the sutra. पाय्य सान्नाय निकाय धाय्याः मान हविर निवास सामि धेनीषु. सूत्र नंबर 31129. 31129. पाय्य सान्नाय निकाय धाय्याः मान हविर निवास सामि धेनीषु. So these shabdas, their nipatanam happens. Sannayam is from Havi. Sannaya patram is for a patra where he, etc. are offered. So Purodasha Patra is where Purodasha is like Shira or Halwa. It's a Purodasha. Sannaya is where ghee is. Sannaya Patra Shundhanam. Shundhanam means Shuddhikaranam, purification. Samakyatam. Tatra Shundhadvam Daivyaya Karmane Devayajyaya iti mantra udaharanam. This mantra udaharanam is given. So I will first explain from Artha Sangraha. This is slightly trickier example than the other ones. Trickier in the sense, other things are very straightforward. Only the Mimamsa part is not straightforward. So in this mantra, this is on page number 36, 37 in Artha Sangraha. So Sthanam is Prabala compared to Samakhya. So Shundhana mantra, when it is used, is it Sannaya Patra Anga or Purodasha Patra Anga? So it is said it is Sannaya Patra Anga, not Purodasha Patra Anga. Even though Yogika Artha says it is Paurodashika. So the word Paurodashika means that which belongs to Purodasha. So it should be part of Purodasha Patra. In Purodasha Shabda, Tadhita Pratyaya, when it is done, it will become Paurodashika. So that is called Samakhyata. Samakhyata means Vaidika meaning or Laukika meaning is called Samakhyata. So Paurodashika is a Yogika meaning. Yoga and Rudhi, you know these two. Yoga and Rudhi means this is how the meaning is taken up. Yogika, for example, Pankajam. What is it for Pankajam?
Lotus.
Lotus.
What is that?
Lotus.
Lotus. Pankajam means lotus. Yogika bhi Panka Jayate iti Pankajam.
Which is born from
Or Panke Jayate iti Pankajam. So Panka means in the mud, that which grows in the mud, that which is born in the mud. So many things can be there. So Yogika Artha could be different. Here Paurodashika is given. So the Shundhadvam Daivyaya Karmane Deva Yajyayai. This is Shundhana mantra. This mantra is for Shuddhi. Now in this, the question is whether this mantra is for Sannaya Patra or Purodasha Patra. So Purva, this mantra comes the Paurodashika Samakhya Kanda. So it should become part of Purodasha Patra because it comes in Paurodashika Samakhya. And Siddhanta will say Paurodashika means Purodashasya idam. Paurodashyam. Paurika Prakriti is Purodash. And then Thak Pratyaya is there. Thak Pratyaya meaning is for the Kanda. but this is a yogic artha. So this yogic artha is not for samasta purodasha patra sannidhi. Entire for purodasha patra, this meaning is not there for the whole thing. So they say we will use arthapatti, etc. So let's see the tika, but the question is this. So this mantra, is it part of Sannaya Patra or Purodasha Patra? It is Anga for what? Sannaya Patra Anga or Purodasha Patra Anga? This is the question. Tatra Shundhadvam Daivya Karmane Deva Yajyaya iti mantra udaharanam. Sakim Purodasha Patra Angam Uta Sannaya Patra Angam. Then Uta is given, not Uta, Iti. Iti samshaye Paurodashikam iti samakhyate. Paurodashikam, Purvapaksha will say. Paurodashikam iti samakhyate kande pathitatvat. Samakhyaya Purodasha kanda anganam ulukhala juhwadinam shodhane. Ulukhala is where they do pounding. Juhwadinam shodhane. Angam iti prapte. This is Purvapaksha's thinking. Siddhanti says no. Paurodashikam iti samakhyayam prakritihi purodasham abhidatte taddhita pratyascha kandam. Paurodashikam prakriti is purodasham. Taddhita pratyaya is for the kandam. Paurodashikam. But by this, nacha etavata kritsna purodasha patranam sannidhihi atra pratyaksho asti. For the entire Purodasha Patra, etavata, by this, kritsna purodasha patranam sannidhihi is not pratyaksha. If it is pratyaksha, that pramana would become evident. If it is not, kintu arthat. Arthat means arthapatti. So then, Purodasha Patra Sannidhi is not pratyaksha. And therefore, Tat Pratipadaka, Shundhana Pratipadaka mantra, its Samakhya cannot be Paurodashika. So because it is not pratyaksha, you will have to use arthapatti. Means where this mantra will belong, in which part of the ritual, how its vinyoga has to happen. In that, if it is not pratyaksha, you will have to do some arthapatti. Arthat prakalpya tasmat kanda samakhyaya sannidhim parikalpya. Tat sannidhi anyathanupapatya paraspara akanksha rupa kritsna patra prakaranam kalpayitva vakya linga shrutihi parikalpya taya shrutya viniyoga iti samakhyayam viprakarshaha. This much you will have to do because it is not pratyaksha. What all things you will have to do? Because sannidhi is not pratyaksha, arthat prakalpya. you will have to do Arthapatti first. Then Tasmat Kanda Samakhya Sannidhim Parikalpya. Then from that Kanda Samakhya Sannidhi Parikalpana. You don't need to know too many details of this. Just understand how many things are required. Sannidhi Parikalpya. Then Tat Sannidhi Anyathanupapatya. Again another Arthapatti. Paraspara Akanksha Rupa Kritsna Patra Prakaranam Kalpayitva. Anyathanupapatti means Arthapatti. Paraspara Akanksha Rupa Kritsna Patra Prakaranam. Then from Prakarana, Vakya, Linga, Shruti. Because Shruti, Linga, Vakya, Prakarana. Then Sthanam. Sthanam is Sannidhi. So that much Kalpanam you will have to do. Parikalpya, then Taya Shrutya. By that Parikalpita Shruti, you will have to do Viniyoga. So this much is required. On the other hand, Sannaya Patranam Shodhana Mantra Sannidhistu Pratyaksha. But Sannaya Patranam Shodhana Mantra Sannidhi is Pratyaksha. Means you don't have to use Arthapatti. Where it is Pratyaksha? Idma Barhihi. Idma Barhihi Sampadanasya Mushti Nirvapasya cha Antarale Sannaya Patranam Desha Uktaha. Sannaya Patranam Desha is Ukta when some Idma Barhi Sampadanasya Mushti Nirvapasya Antarale. So when this Idma Barhish Sampadanam is there and Mushti Nirvapa, that much when you do that Tyaga, in that Sannaya Patra is indicated. Sannaya Patra is mentioned. So that is Pratyaksha. And therefore, in the middle of this Idma Barhisha and Nirvapa Vishayaka Mantra, this Mantra Patha is there. So, Mantra Sannidhi is Pratyaksha. Sannidhi Patha, so Shruti Linga Vakya Prakarana Sthanam. Desha Samanyam is Sthanam. Sthanam Dividam. Patha Sadeshyam, Anusthana Sadeshyam. Sthanam Kramascha iti Anarthantaram. Sthana means Krama. In Patha Sadeshyam, there is Yatha Sankhya Patha and Sannidhi Patha. So that Sannidhi Shabda is connected in this way. This is all given in Artha Sangraha when you see this Sthanam topic. Sthanam means Krama. Yatha Sankhya Patha and Sannidhi Patha. So here Sannidhi is Pratyaksha for Sannaya Patra. And for Paurodashika it is through Arthapatti, and then you will have to do Adhika Kalpana. So in Sannaya Patra, Sannidhi is Pratyaksha, and you will have to do Kalpana of Vakya Linga, Prakarana Vakya Linga Shruti. There you will have to do Kalpana of Arthapatti, and then you will have to do other Kalpana. And therefore, Samakhya is weaker, Sthanam is Prabalam, Sannidhi is Prabalam. So the Viniyoga is with sannidhi. That is what is given here. Some idma barhihi sampadanasya mushti nirvapasya cha antarale सान्नाय पात्राणाम देश उक्तः. मंत्रश्च इद्मा बर्हिर निर्वाप विषयो मंत्रानुवाकयोर मध्यमे अनुवाके पठ्यते. मंत्र अनुवाकयो, in the mantra and anuvaka, it is there in the madhyama anuvaka, means there in the middle somewhere. तेन च प्रत्यक्ष सन्निधिना प्रकरणादीनां चतुर्णाम एव कल्पना. You will have to do kalpana only of 4 Shruti Linga Vakya Prakarana in the other reverse order. Kalpanat Sannidhi Sannikrishyate. Sannidhi is closer. Tasmat Kramena Samakhyam Badhitva Sannaya Patra Shodhanangam Eva Mantra. And therefore, in the Krama, Samakhya will become Badhita. Akanksha will not be there for Samakhya. Badhitva Sannaya Patra Shodhanangam Eva Mantra. This mantra is for Sannaya Patra Shodhanangam Eva. Sthanam Sannidhihi Krama iti Anarthantaram iti. What is the meaning of this Vakya?
Sthana and Sannidhi and Karma. These 3 words are of the same meanings. Same meaning.
Yes. Sthanam, Sannidhi and Krama, they mean the same thing. They are synonyms. Okay, so here this Akanksha Prakarana is over. When we study this much, you know what we realize? How much important is this Shruti Linga Vakya Prakarana Sthana Samakhyana Samavaye Paradorbalyam Artha Viprakarsha. How powerful is this sutra? We think, why I have to memorize this one sutra? Now, when you see how much Mimamsa is there on this, if a person has extreme Vairagya, that person doesn't have to worry Shruti Linga Vakya Prakarana. That person can remain in Aham Brahmasmi Vichara all the time. Person who is not there, they should not say, why should I study these things? This is of no use. This is all theory. This is all academics. Yes, everything is true. But you need it for your Chitta Shuddhi. Because if you have more time, what else will you do? Or we may say, I will study these, that, and we will end up doing 50 other useless things. So that's why all this is there to study. Because when we are asked, you study this, study that, then we start creating Purvapaksha. Why should I study this? Okay. Now, after Akanksha, Yogyata. Yogyatam Lakshayati. Now, Tikakar, because he has written so much Tika on Akanksha, for everything else, there is brief Tika only. So, we'll move faster. Previous page, 114, Moolam. Yogyata cha Tatparya Vishayi Bhuta Sansarga Abadha. Tatparya Vishayi Bhuta Sansarga Abadha. Vannina Sinchati Ityadau Tadrisha Samsarga Badhat Na Yogyata. So in Vannina Sinchati or Vannina Sinchet, when such instruction is there, Samsarga Badha is there. between the pada, Vanni and Sechanam cannot go together. Therefore, there is no yogyata. See Tippani number 1 on that page. तात्पर्य विषय संसर्गो योग्यता इत्यर्थः. तात्पर्य विषय संसर्ग इज योग्यता. यथा वत्सं बधान इति अत्र वत्सकर्मकं बंधनम एव योग्यता. वत्सकर्मकं बंधनम इज योग्यता. वन्निना सिंचति इति अत्र तादृश संसर्गस्य वन्निकरणक सेकस्य. Sekakaranam is to make it wet, to sprinkle. Vannikaranaka sekanam means sekakaranam or sechanam is not there. Sekasya badhat na yogyata. This much we should read. Now you go to Tika on the next page. Etaval lakshana avighataka अभिघात फलम आह वन्निना इति. तथापि अस्तु संसर्गा बाधो. सो दिस मच लक्षण अभिघात फलम इज वन्निना सिंचति. वन्निना सिंचति.
Abhidhana is given, Swami. Abhidhana.
Abhidhana, not abhighata.
Yes, Swami.
Both we can use. Abhidhat. Let's see. अभिधान लक्षणाभिधान फलम. Okay, you can make it abhidhana. अभिधान फलम वन्निना. तथापि अस्तु संसर्गाबाधो योग्यता. पूर्व पक्षी saying, why did you give this big lakshana तात्पर्य विषयीभूत संसर्गाबाध है? Just say संसर्गाबाध है. संसर्ग, if it does not work, it is called योग्यता. संसर्ग अबाध है, योग्यता. Means samsarga is not contradicted, then it is yogya. Why you have to give other tatparya vishayibhuta, etc. So now he says saprajapatihi. Another example in Moolam now. Saprajapati ratmano vapam udakhidat ityadavapi tatparya vishayibhuta pashu prashastya badhat yogyata. सब प्रजापति ही आत्मनो वपाम उदखिदत. This is वाक्य from the Vedas. इत्यादवपि, in this also तात्पर्य विषयीभूत पशु प्राशस्त्य अबाधात. There is योग्यता. The literal meaning of प्रजापति आत्मनो वपाम उदखिदत. Vapa means the fat from the stomach. So he splits his stomach fat and he pulls it out and offers it into Agni, fire, as part of the yaga. So somebody says if Prajapati does this, he will die. This said statement does not have yogyata. There is ayogyata. How can anyone do this? So they say there is no tatparya in this vakya. It is not tatparya vishayi bhuta. This is arthavada vakya. And therefore, in arthavada vakya, you don't have to see yogyata. As long as this vakya is indicating something else, it will be considered yogya only. Tatparya vishayi bhuta pashu prasastya abadha. That pashu prasastya, pashu yaga prashansa is not contradicted. Literal meaning of the statement has contradiction. But it is a arthavada vakya. It is there for something else. It is not for swartha bodha. It is for parartha bodhana. Tatparya is in Pashuyaga Prashansa, that even Prajapati was ready to offer his own part, his own anga. Therefore, Pashuyaga is great. Therefore, you should do it. This is the meaning implied. Therefore, it is a yogya. So, in the Lakshana, if Tatparya Vishayi Bhuta part was not given, then this Vakya would not have yogyata. But because this is not Tatparya Vishayi Bhuta Vakya, this will have yogyata. Now you see Tippani continue there. Sab Prajapati Rityadau. 1 number Tippani on 114. Sab Prajapati Rityadau Vapayagah Prashasta. In Sab Prajapati Atmano Vapam Udakhidat. Vapayagah is prashasta. That fat which is offered in the yaga is prashasta. Iti prashastyam eva tatparya vishaya samsarga. That praise of Pashu yaga where this vapa offering is there, that is the tatparya vishaya samsarga. Therefore, there is yogyata. Ataha yogyata vartate. Yogyata api iyam jnanamanaiva hetuhu na swarupa sati iti avadeya. Yogyata is also jnayamana eva hetu. Yogyata jnayamana, not swarupa sati. It should become known just by existence. So swarupa sat and jnatam sat, they are two different things. A fire is there. All of you are paying attention.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes.
So this is important part. It can come anywhere. Okay. One is Swarupa Sat, another is Jnata Sat. Swarupa Sat is Agni, for example. Whether I know this is called Agni, this will produce Dahakatvam, it doesn't matter. Agni will burn you. Whether you know it or you don't know it. Why? Its Swarupa is to burn. Jnatattva is not needed. But in certain cases, Jnatattva is, or the other example you take, for example, medicine. You don't have to know what is in there. Swarupena, it will cure you. What composition is there and what all things. You take the medicine, you will be okay, if it is the right medicine. So it is Swarupena, it will function, it will give phala. Not because you know it, therefore it will give phala. Upasana is also like that. But certain things, only when you know, like my Brahmatva, I am Brahma. If I don't know, it will not give phala. When I know I am Brahma, then there is a different phala. So everyone is Brahma. But Swarupataha, I cannot derive any benefit out of it. Jnanam is what is needed. They give one classic example. In Rishikesh, all Mahatmas give this example. For example, there was one worker, he was doing his roof work, and monsoon came, so he was putting some things on the roof and putting some nails, etc. And while doing it, he saw there was some bite, so he just did something, applied something, and he moved on. And everything was okay. Afterwards, after 5-6 years, he had to change the roof. So he only went up and he removed everything. While removing, he saw some dead snake pieces. And he realized that when he was working last time, he was putting some nails and one snake was there, and that snake was hit by these nails, etc. It was fixed there by accident, and that snake had bitten him. He died then. Out of this fear, that snake had bitten him 6 years back. He didn't die then. This example I have heard from 2-3 Mahatmas in Rishikesh. So whatever, this is when Jnanam is there, then it gave phala. Swarupena, it didn't give phala. So now see that Tippani. Yogyata api iyam jnayamana eva hetuhu. This, once you have the knowledge, then there is yogyata. Na swarupa sati iti avadheyam. And this jnanam also, tad jnanam cha api samshaya nishchaya sadharanam hetu. Tatasya tad samshaya nishchayo api shabda jnanatva upapattihi iti. From Shabda, you can get Samshayatmaka Jnanam also and Nishchayatmaka Jnanam also. Both Jnanams are possible. Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam, when you get Upadesha, some people will get Samshaya Jnanam and some people will get Nishchaya Jnanam. So, that Jnanam, which will give yogyata, is samshaya nishchaya sadharanam hetu. And therefore, tatascha tat samshaya nishchayoho api shabda jnanatva upapattihi. Shabda jnanam can produce samshaya also, shabda jnana can also produce nishchaya. Both are possible. See Tika now on next page. Evam. So, Yogyata Lakshanam is done. In Yogyata Lakshana, what is the importance of Tadparya Vishaya Nishchaya? Tadparya Vishayibhuta Samsarga. That is also explained by this Prajapati, Atmano Vapam Udakhidat Rashtanta. And then this Yogyata can have Nyayamanena, Natu Swarupatva. ज्ञायमाना एव योग्यता. And it can produce samshaya jnanam as well as nishchaya jnanam. Both can be there. Now further in टीका एवं च सांप्रदायिक तत्वमस्यादि वाक्यार्थो अपि उपपन्न. In the same way, just as Prajapati Ratmano Vapam Udakidat, that was there, Sampradayika, in where Advaita Sampradaya, Tattvamasya Vakya, in that also Yogyata is there or not? This question will be asked. So we'll say yes, Yogyata is there. So Purvabakshi is there, where is Yogyata? Tattvamasya Vakyeshu api, there is Vakya Bheda between the Vachyartha, Tatpada Vachyartha and Tvampada Vachyartha, where there is oneness. There is no Yogyata. It is just like saying Vanni does not have Sechana Yogyata. Tat Padartha does not have Yogyata to become Tvam Padartha. Tvam Padartha doesn't have Yogyata to become Tat Padartha. Where is Yogyata? Correct? Yes, Purvabakshi can argue this way. So then Siddhanti will say, Tattvamasyadi Vakyeshu api Vachya Abheda Badhe api Lakshya Swarupa Abheda Bada Abhavad Yogyata. Yes, in Vachyartha there is Bheda. Vachya Abheda Bada is there. So if you try to do Yogyata in Vachyartha, you will not get it. But Lakshya Swarupa Abheda Bada Abhavad. Lakshya Swarupa Abheda is there, therefore there is Yogyata. So in this way, Yogyata Prakarana is over. You see how quickly he finished Yogyata? Now, Krama Praptam Asattim Lakshayati. Next is Asatti. Asattischa 115 Moolam. Asattischa Avyavadhanena Padajanya Padarthopasthiti. Padartha Upasthiti. Avyavadhanena. Vyavadhana should not be there. It's very simple. Manantara upasthapita padarthasya anvaya bodha abhavat padajanya iti. Why padajanya part is given? He does padakritya. Manantara upasthapita padarthasya anvaya bodha abhavat. Otherwise, through some other pramana, manantara upasthapita padartha anvaya bodha can happen. Tasya abhavat, he gives padajanya. Padajanya padartha. Padartha upasthiti should not happen through some other pramana. Padartha upasthiti should happen through what?
Shapta Pramana.
Through pada only. Vanni padartha upasthiti should not happen through anumanam. Vanni padartha upasthiti should not happen through pratyaksha. It should happen through pada. Pada janya padartha. Pada janya padartha upasthiti. Atayeva ashruta padartha sthale tattat pada adhyaharaha. And therefore where ashruta padartha sthala is there, padartha which is not heard, you have to do adhyahara. Like dwaram. If somebody says dwaram, so I should understand pidehi. I gave you this example. This came in Naishkarmya Siddhi in the last session. Dwaram pidehi. If somebody just says dwaram, you understand pidehi. Adhyahara should be done. Okay, see tika for this much at least. Padajanya ityasya prayojanam aha. What is the prayojana of padajanya? Manantara upasthapita padarthasya anvaya bodha abhavat. So the other way that padartha utpatti should not. यतो मानांतर उपस्थापित पदार्थस्य अन्वय बोधो नास्ति, अतः एव अश्रुत पदार्थ स्थले अन्वय बोध योग्य पदार्थ उपस्थापक पद अध्याहारः संगच्छते इत्याह. मानांतर उपस्थापित पदार्थस्य अन्वय बोध is not there. If manantar upasthapita padarthasya anvay bodha is there, for example, then what will happen? It will not be called only Shabda Pramana. Because you are using other things. It means it will not be Shabda Pramana. Like if I take Ghata Pratyaksha in my hand, and then I say, take it. So then it is Pratyaksha only. Some Shabda is also there, but it is not only Shabda Pramana. But if I say, bring it, and I don't show anything, then you will have to do adhyahara of that pada, whose prakarana is going on, some context you should understand. So, ashruta padartha sthale anvaya bodha yogya padartha upasthapaka pada adhyahara sangacchate ityaha atayeva. Atayeva vede api tadrsha pada adhyahara ityaha. In the same way, now in Veda also, such pada adhyahara should be there. Now, what is that? That we will see in the following session. Ishetva mantra is here. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.